Social Security survivor benefits is a big mouthful to bite off. So I generally just call it widow benefits because I'm typically talking to widows. But it goes both ways. When I get into it a little deeper here, 2 seconds, for men and women, widows and widowers. So when they say survivor benefits, that means somebody that qualifies for Social Security has passed away. Now, to qualify for Social Security, you have to have worked and paid into the system for a certain amount of time, okay? So then people that are eligible to get survivor benefits off of the deceased person, I'm gonna pretend like it's Bob and he's over here. Bob died. Now his spouse is eligible to get survivor benefits, widow benefits. His ex-spouse, so say Mary, they were married at least 10 years, so she's also eligible to get survivor benefits off of Bob passing. And then if he has minor children, they're able to get survivor benefits. Okay, so these can all draw off of one worker, and we call those Social Security survivor benefits. So the most common question that I get, and we get here at the Medicare Family, is, are you sure I can get benefits off my ex-spouse? Like, we were only married 10 years ago, and he's been married to his current wife for 30 years, for 40 years. So they just assume that that current wife has the standing, that she's the one that could draw the benefit, and the ex-wife, who hasn't even talked to him in 30 years, wouldn't be able to, and that's wrong. As long as you were married for at least 10 full years, don't call me when you were married 9.5 years, 10 full years. Okay, look at the date on your divorce decree. It's not when you got separated. It's not when you filed for divorce, when the divorce was final. What is that date? Go look at your decree. If you were married a full 10 years and he passes, you are eligible to get 100% of what he was drawing, if he was already drawing Social Security, okay? So when we're talking about Bob over here. So Bob took Social Security early. And if you watched our other videos here at the Medicare Family, you know that you can elect to take your Social Security retirement benefit as early as 62. If you do, you get less money than if you take it at your full retirement age. So you can go into Google right now and Google your full retirement age. Put your birthday, April 1st, 1960, and it'll tell you what your full retirement age. If you take your retirement benefits before that, you're gonna get less. So remember I said Bob's over here and Bob passed away. Bob took his retirement benefits at 62. So he got about 30% less than if he would have waited till his full retirement age. So the ex-spouse and his current spouse, they can both get 100% of what he was drawing. You know, because I just said what he was drawing was reduced because he took it early. They both qualify to get 100% of what he was drawing. So say he was getting $2,000 a month. Okay, they can both get $2,000 a month. The one that's been married 30 years doesn't get more. The ex-spouse doesn't get less. They both qualify because they were both married to him for at least 10 years. They're both not remarried. And they can both get, they're eligible to get 100% of what he was drawing, which was $2,000. Now, they only get that full 100%. This is the clicker. This is where you got to zoom in and really focus on me. I'll take my glasses off for emphasis. You have to be, these women both have to be, am I looking dignified? Their full retirement age. They have to be their full retirement age to get the full 100%. So if the current spouse is only 62, and you can draw the spousal benefits, you can draw these survivor benefits for spouses as early as 60. If you're on Social Security disability, you can get it at 50. I do more videos on this, but we'll just say the current wife, she's been married long enough, really she'll only be married a year if you're the current spouse. She is over 60, but she's not her full retirement age. If she draws it at 62, she's gonna get a lot less because she's not her full retirement age. So she's eligible for $2,000, but she might only get $1,500 because she's not her full retirement age. Now, the ex-spouse, they both qualify, right? She's already 68. She's past her full retirement age. So she's going to get the full 100%. She hasn't remarried. She's past her full retirement age. There's no earnings limit. Which again, there's other videos that'll go into the earnings limit. So she's going to get the full $2,000, where this spouse might only get $1,500 because she wanted to take it early. And once you start taking it, you're locking that amount in forever. That amount's never going to change. So that's a nutshell, 5 minutes of your life on widow survivor benefits. If you found this video to be helpful, please help me out and hit subscribe or hit the little bell icon. I do one video every week on Medicare, Social Security, VA, things that retirees need to know. Thank you for watching this video. If there's something specific that you'd like a question on, ask us in the comments and we'll get back to you. Let my family here at the Medicare Family help you with these very confusing questions.